Hi, my name is Attorney Brian Cimino, and I wanted to talk to you about the Ignition Interlock Other Licensed Resident Affidavit. This is an affidavit that will be filed by someone who lives with you if you have an Interlock restricted license. Any member of your household who has a valid driver's license must submit one of these forms. Section A is for the operator's information, and that's not your information. That's the other licensed resident's information. So that's the information of the person who lives with you who has a valid driver's license. They list their name, date of birth, license number, phone number, residential address, mailing address, and email address. The next section consists of three things that they need to initial. In Section B, they need to list the make, model, plate number, and vehicle identification number of any vehicle that they own or drive. Again, these are any vehicles owned or driven by the other licensed resident who lives in your household. In Section C, that's for your information. That's for the person who has the Interlock restricted license, your full name and driver's license number. In Section D, the other licensed resident will sign that and date that. Again, this is not a form that the person with the restricted driver's license fills out. This form is filled out by anyone who lives with someone who has the interlock restriction if that person has a valid driver's license. They're considered an other licensed resident, and they must submit an other licensed resident affidavit to the Registry of Motor Vehicles. That will normally be submitted along with your Ignition Interlock operator's affidavit. So there are two affidavits that need to be submitted to join the Interlock program in Massachusetts. One is the operator's affidavit, and the other one is the other licensed resident affidavit. If you have any questions, you can visit my website, rmvlawyer.com.